Man, I had the most fun riding a DB14 yesterday. After I tried to start the Hawk and it wouldn't start with the electric start, I got the little bike out and ripping and riding up and down the hill. Having a great time, man. I rode it down to the bottom of the hill like those kids be riding their little dirt bikes. I got down to the bottom of the hill and hit the brakes too hard and it skid. I was like, whoo, man, that was fun. And then I got back and realized I didn't even catch it on video. I was being wild. I don't think I want to do that on purpose. I might not be so lucky. Okay, where's my other glove? There it is. There's that relay. I put it on there, put the new one on there yesterday. So we're gonna find out for sure if this is the situation, but this is one solution that you could look at if you're having a problem getting your bike started. It didn't help at all. So I left the battery on the charger all night. Basically 24-hour charge. And I think the battery just maybe has a dead cell, but doesn't, I mean, it's fully charged, but it doesn't have enough amps to start the bike. I don't think I have a short down there. All the wires look like they're covered properly. The bike does, when the bike is running, I can take the battery out and it still runs fine. With the lights on and everything, I can ride around. So I know it's not the starter. The last thing it could be is a dead battery or a battery that's just dying. We're gonna see if we have enough amps to start her up. And then we're gonna ride it. See, start it up once is not a problem. I see I got that fuel turned off to help in case I need to kickstart it. I don't want to flood the carburetor. So we have been able to get one start. It started off maybe getting started a few times, and then you can get like one start, and now it's not getting any starts. It seems like it's weaker than the this is one of those 9 what do you call it, batteries, but I started with a 5. I think I had a 4 or 5 in here, or a 7. Here we go. Well, the power's on, so I've probably been draining the battery. Look at that. Lights are on. That battery. Now if I put it on the, I'm not getting anything. I think I was getting a little bit more better reaction with the old relay. I can't tell. Well, since I have this gear on, I don't have any motorcycle pants on, or my motocross dirt bike boots. I just got on some regular boots. I have my motorcycle jacket on and my helmet. So if I can start it up, well, now definitely not gonna go anywhere because I'll get stuck. Let's see. First try. Okay, let's try one more time. I put the E3 spark plug in there. I rode around with that Iridium spark plug for like 5 minutes before I realized I didn't like it. Oh, we almost got something going. I didn't even have to try that hard. It's like you kick it easy. The problem I've been having is not being able to kickstart it after I ride it. After so close, I let it sit. So I'm not sure if the carburetor gets too much fuel in it or if it's running rich. I tried to balance all that stuff out, but now that I put this E3 in here, I'm gonna have to retune the idle speed. Because I actually tuned it for the Iridium plug shortly, then I took it right back out after one little ride up and down the road. It felt like my exhaust was getting extra hot. Hotter than I expected in a short period of time. That's how fun. Oh, I feel naked without any knee pads on. My knees feel naked. My boots only go up they don't go up as high as my motocross boots, so my shins feel naked. So maybe it's a little bit harder power with the Iridium. This is softer power, but it's controllable and it feels good. I'm telling you, with the Iridium, it was just like amped up, man. what I like. I like my hawk running smooth. With that iridium, it seemed like it was racing a little bit and tapping. Just that direct comparison. I'll take the E3. Actually, since it has a little bit of build up on the bug, I'm just gonna buy another E3. So I wasted my $11 on that iridium spark plug. Maybe it's not for everybody. Yeah, I feel a little heat on my ankles. I'm used to being all covered up down there. But I had some jeans on like this, and I put my knee up against the exhaust when I was reaching over. And man, that was hot. I'm gonna go through the parking lot one time. We're over here. Might as well. Fresh paving. I'm not gonna get too crazy because I don't have any knee guards on. Unless I've never failed doing the figure 8 test. You want to become a good rider, a better maneuverability. This is something you can practice on a regular basis. Trying to do a figure 8 within 2 parking spaces. Man, it's been a long time since I've done this. Maybe I'm losing my skill. Let's see if we can get it back. Well, I can't get that center line. What's the deal? Guess practice. Foot down. But that sucks. They do say you should practice consistently if you want to stay good. That's better. Foot down. Okay, I'm gonna start practicing that more often. And the quick stops. Yeah, baby. I played around this parking lot so much when I was a newbie. I have fun too. This is my world.